Morning everyone. Today we are going to solve exercise 5.3 which is based on quadratic equation. As we know, quadratic equation can be written as x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. This can be a quadratic equation. If we find the solution of this equation, we will get x is greater than equal to 0. But there are some equations whose solution is less than equal to 0. ठीक है, जिसके सॉल्यूशंस हम लेस देन बोल सकते हैं. इक्वल होगा तो वो रियल नंबर्स आ जाएगा. बट अगर हमारा सॉल्यूशन लेस देन है 0 से, ओके, then we can find the solution of this type of equation in complex number. Okay, so first what we have to do, we have to find that the solution of a particular equation is less than 0 or not. So as we can see in this equation, here a equals to 1, b is also equals to 1 and c is also equals to 1. Okay, so definitely we will get the solution is greater than equal to 0. But if in some cases we have a quadratic equation and its solution is less than 0, so we can check it by b square minus 4ac. जब हम इस पर्टिकुलर टाइप की इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करते हैं बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac करके, अगर वो लेस देन इक्वल टू 0 आता है, देन आर सोल्यूशन विल बी x इक्वल्स टू माइनस बी प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a. So this way we can find the solution of a particular equation whose value is less than 0. Okay, या फिर in a complex number we can find it as minus b plus minus under root b 4ac minus b square iota upon 2a. Okay, for example we take a equation such as x square plus 2 equals to 0. इस टाइप की हमारे पास इक्वेशन है तो इसका हम डायरेक्टली सोल्यूशन निकाल सकते हैं. एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू माइनस 2 एंड एक्स इक्वल्स टू माइनस 2 रूट. ओके, दिस विल बी आवर सोल्यूशन प्लस माइनस वी कैन पुट. बट इफ वी हैव अ इक्वेशन लाइक दिस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इक्वल्स टू 0. ओके, तो यही इक्वेशन हम ले लेते हैं एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इक्वल्स टू 0. हियर वी हैव अगेन a equals to 1, b equals to 1 and c equals to 1. When we check b square minus 4ac which is equal to d, अगर हम d की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करते हैं b square minus 4ac से, now we put the value 1 minus 4, 1 and 1, then our solution will be minus 3 which is less than 0. तो हमारा solution क्या आ रहा है, less than 0 आ रहा है. तो we can find it by putting the value in this formula. Okay, x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac अपॉन 2a. इस पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मूले के अंदर हम वैल्यू पुट करके x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. हाउ? माइनस b एज वी नो इज 1 प्लस माइनस एज वी नो ए बी सी इज 1. सारे केसेस के अंदर हमारे पास ए बी सी क्या है, 1 ही है. तो नाउ वी पुट द वैल्यू हियर. We have already find the value of this b square minus 4ac root, that is minus 3. Okay, under root, and we have 2 a equals to 1. We will get 1 minus 1 plus minus root 3 iota. Why? Because we know iota equals to minus 1 under root. Okay, so we have root 3 iota and here 2. So our solution is minus 1 plus minus root 3 iota upon 2. This way we can find the value of x where b square minus 4ac is less than to 0. Okay, so let's start our exercise 5.3. So our first question is we have to find the value of x square plus 3 equals to 0. Here easily we can find such as x square equals to minus 3. Here we have x equals to minus 3 root, that's it. Okay, we have plus minus x equals to minus 3. Okay, we can put it as, we can write it also root 3 iota. Now our next question is we have 2x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Here we have a equals to 2, b equals to 1 and c is also equals to 1. Okay, now we put the value. This equation is the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. There we find the value of a equals to 2, b equals to 1 and c is also equals to 1. Now we put the value in b square minus 4ac. Actually we are checking by putting the value in this, that is b square minus 4ac is 1 square minus 4, 2 and 1, which is equal to 1 minus 8, which is equal to minus 7. Okay, so what we have to do, minus 7 is less than 0. हमें क्या करना है, x की वैल्यू कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे, बाय यूजिंग फॉर्मूला दैट इज माइनस b प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट 4ac, b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we put the value of a, b, c in this particular equation. Minus, we have minus 1 plus minus, thus we have minus 7 under root upon 2 into 2. So here we have minus 1 plus minus root 7 iota upon 4. This is the solution of this particular equation. Now question number 3 is x square plus 3x plus 9 equals to 0. Here we have a equals to 1, b equals to 3 and c equals to 9. Again we check d equals to b square minus 4ac whether the value is less than 0 or not. B square is 3 square minus 4, 1 and 9. So we get the value as 9 minus 36. Okay. So we have, when we solve this, we get minus 27. So which is less than 0. Now we put the formula, that is minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we put the value in this formula, that is minus 3 plus minus root 27 minus 27. Okay, and upon 2 1. We get the answer as under root 27 iota upon 2. This is our solution of this particular equation. Okay. Now we find the solution of other questions, that is question number 4. In question number 4 we have minus x square plus x minus 2 equals to 0. Actually this is, here we have value of a equals to minus 1, b equals to 1 and c equals to minus 2. Okay, so we put the value in formula b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 2. So we get the solution as 1 minus 8, that is minus 7. So again we have to find the formula by, find the value by formula minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we have the values of all these. Now we put the values, minus 1 plus minus minus 7 upon the value of a is minus 1. So a solution will be minus 1 plus minus root 7 iota upon minus 2. That's it. Okay. Now we randomly solve the question. We take question number 8. Okay. We have question number 8 as root 3 x square minus root 2 x plus 3 root 3. What we do in this type of question, again we have a equals to root 3, b equals to minus root 2, right, and c we are having 3 root 3. Now we check whether the value is less than 0. d is equals to minus b square minus 4ac. Now we put the value minus 2 root minus 4 root 3 and c is 3 root 3. Okay, so we get the value as 2 minus 36, which is equal to minus 34. So again we are having the negative sign with our value, so that means this is less than 0. Now we put the values in formula, minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So our solution will be x equals to minus root 2 plus minus, we have 34, minus 34 root upon 2 root 3. Okay, so our solution will be root 2 plus minus root 34 iota upon 2 root 3. Okay, that's it. We can find the values of other by using this formula. First we have to check whether the value is less than 0 or not by using b square minus 4ac and putting the values of a, b, c, and then we use the formula x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now what we are going to do, there is a topic, we have to find the conjugate and the modulus. We have one topic left, that is the modulus and the conjugate. Modulus and conjugate. Okay, modulus can be denoted by z, mod z, which can be written as अंडर रूट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. ओके, अगर हमें बोला जाए कि हमें z का मॉडुलस निकालना है, then we can directly put the value as under root a square plus b square. And if we have to find the conjugate, that is the z bar, we can write, if we have z is a plus iota b, then we have the conjugate as a minus iota b. Okay, this is the modulus and conjugate. Now we are going to solve a question, that is, we are having 3 minus 2 iota, 2 plus 3 iota upon 1 plus 2 iota and 2 minus iota. What we have to do in this question, we have to find the conjugate of this. Okay, so conjugate कैसे find out करेंगे? First we have to solve this by using multiplication. तो ऊपर का जब हमने multiplication perform किया, then we get 6 plus 9 iota minus 4 iota plus 6, and जब हमने नीचे का multiplication perform किया, then we will get 2 minus iota plus 4 iota plus 2. By solving this, we get 12 plus 5 iota upon 4 plus 3 iota. What we have to do, हमें नीचे कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर नहीं चाहिए होता, हमें नीचे रियल नंबर चाहिए होता है. देन व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू रेशनलाइज इट. 4 plus 3 iota we are having, then we are going to multiply and divide by 4 minus 3 iota and 4 minus 3 iota. By solving this, we will get 48 minus 36 iota plus 20 iota plus 15. Okay, and in the denominator we will have 16 plus 9. Then we have 63 minus 16 iota upon 25. Then we can write it as in the form of a plus iota b, 63 upon 25 minus 16 upon 25 iota. What was the question? We have to find the conjugate of this particular equation. We have the value a plus iota b, okay, but we have to find the conjugate. तो conjugate, अगर ये हमारा z है तो conjugate z बार क्या होगा? 63 upon 25 plus 16 upon 25 iota, just with the opposite sign. Okay, जो ये मिड वाला साइन है वो हमें opposite में लिखना है. This is the conjugate and this is the complex number we are having after solving this equation. That's it. Thank you.